So, following the previous episode of Thokozani Gogo, which aired on Moja Love during Saturday, whereby we saw Ugogo Maweni performing, of course, a very deadly ritual using a pig. You guys, now the side chick had gone, the main had gone to Ugogo Maweni to seek assistance in bewitching her husband's side chick, and she had found a piece of underwear which was left in the room after they had done the deed, and this underwear was clearly dirty. And Gogo Maweni said that they were going to use that dirtiness and that underwear to make sure that havoc is definitely wreaked into her life. So she did this, whereby spirits were transferred. The pig spirit was transferred and given to the side chick. Now, Kukumaweni has received a lot of backlash, with people saying that why didn't the side chick bewitch her husband? Well, she did this video clarifying, explaining why she did what she did. Please do check this out and engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below, and also subscribe if you haven't yet done so.
Happening, ladies, and I'm actually doing this video just to, I don't know, one, to remind you that I'm still around, and two, to respond. Guys, last night's ritual has nothing to do with the guy. Yes, the guy uchidile wenzeni, but ngifuna ukwazi amantombazana amaningi once they get comfortable, let's say, if you can focus the volume or pause the mouse, when these girls get comfortable, they're busy with your husband or your boyfriend, long-term boyfriend, or whatever, I don't care. They then start disrespecting you. Disrespecta when actually ending. So my question is, if uzeng ngendoda yami, why ungaqeda into yakho nendoda yami? Why ufanele disrespect mina, ufonele mina, ushiya ama underwear wakho kwami? You do you understand? As if you want to alert me ukuthi ukhona. Do you understand? So a lot of people are saying, why doesn't she bewitch the husband? Fine, the husband, she can deal with the husband some other way if she wants to. Some people don't want to deal with the husband. They want to deal with the woman, because the woman umhlukumezile, the woman umdelelile, the woman umfonelile, the woman umthukile, the woman wenza sure ukuthi uyazi ukuthi ukhona. Meaning ukuthi now, you know, wenze in. So what do you then do, guys? What do you do when in that case? Because mind you guys are saying good to know, but this woman was supposed to bewitch the husband, not the side chick. The side chick is the one that made herself known by leaving her underwear, by calling her, by swearing at her, by disrespecting her, by making sure the wife knows she exists, and she's been cheating with the husband. She can deal with the husband at some point, at some other point, wherever, whatever, or however, because you give people options. And if they resort to doing such, guys, I mean, come on now. Come on, let's be fair. That is why abanye abantu bayakusukela, and then when you retaliate, wrong when for retaliating. Why do they come to you in the first place? Uzela ngoba busy nendoda yami. Why ungayiqedeleli lento uyenza nendoda yami? Why ufanele uzisondeze kimi? Why must you make yourself known to me? Why must you disrespect me? Why must you call me? Why fanele ungithuke? Ngoba into ekulethela yile ndoda le. Do you understand what I'm saying? Because I hear all your comments. I mean, I read all the comments, and I hear where you guys are coming from. But some people choose to deal with the man a different way, guys. Some people choose, you know, they love the guy and they will deal with the guy at a later stage. And then some people, and at least you're also hurtful nendoda. You will always suffer ndoda. So, you know what, each to his own. Anyway, happy Sunday.